Hi. Okay, hi everybody. This is Dr. Kadisha, and Dr. Dietrich had some technical difficulties in with her internet. I think she's out in Pecos, Texas, and the internet service went out for a whole section. So while she's trying to restore her internet service, Dr. Carol and I will continue until Dr. Dietrich can come on. So, okay, let's see. Hey, Dr. Carol, how can we get you on? Okay, let's see here. So, okay. Hi, Gina. Hi, Dr. Gina. Hi, Andrea. Thanks for coming on. Just trying to get past some technical difficulties. Dr. Dietrich is in a rural part of town, and she's lost, I think a section of town lost internet service. So I'm trying to bring Dr. Carol on with me until we can, until we can get Dr. Dietrich back on. Okay, so what we were going to talk about is how patients can get their full circle of medical care from the ER, from an inpatient standpoint on admission, and to an outpatient standpoint. Let's see here, after the ER visit or admission, so they can get follow up. And let's see. Okay. And let's see, Dr. Carol, are you able to wave at me? Why don't you send me a wave, and then I think I can bring you on. I see you there in the comments. Are you able to send me a wave? Yeah, I had a friend who was trying to join me in the video last week. Okay, let's see here. And I'm gonna hop out because I actually think that Androids might actually be better than Apples in some aspects. Let's see here. Controls, let's see. Because, yeah, my Android is so much better. Okay, I'm going to go live on my superior Android and then try to bring Dr. Carol on that way. Okay, oh great. So Dr. Dietrich has service again. So I think we can go through her portal once more. Okay, so we will jump out and then jump back on with Dr. Dietrich. I hope everyone that was kind enough to join us here will join us once more.